Hey Joe, this is Austin at Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky. Wanted to take a quick minute and show you our 2018 F-150 Limited. This is a one-owner vehicle. It was owned by a lawyer up in Bowling Green, which is about 20 minutes north of us. Actually, the two lawyers in the group, they're partners. They both actually had identical limited silver F-150s. So this truck, as it sits right now, it's got about 8,200 miles on it. Cosmetically, it's pretty much perfect. I didn't see any ding or dents on the truck. I walked around it pretty thoroughly before I took the video. The limited are the highest trim levels you can get. Obviously, it's got all the bells and whistles. Big old 22-inch wheels. They're all in perfect shape. Remote start, adaptive cruise control, big old twin panel roof. I'll let you take a look inside here. Usually you see the most wear on the driver's seat, but with this truck having such low miles, you're not really going to see any wear and tear in the driver's seat, and definitely not in the passenger seat or the back seat. You can see there, this truck's got all-weather floor mats all the way through it. It's got the nice navy blue interior. You can see the big twin panel moonroof up top here. That front piece slides back, the back piece stays static. But you're looking at a really nice truck. This truck is certified pre-owned, so it does come with some extra warranty associated with it. You'll get an extra year of bumper-to-bumper coverage, and it also takes your powertrain coverage out to 100,000 miles. So if you've got any more questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. We would love to have your business. I know you're a little ways away, but keep in mind we don't have any dealer fees. There's no dock fees, no smoke, no mirrors. We're right off I-65 off exit 6 in Franklin, Kentucky, and hope this video helps. Have a great day.